I'm a valley scallywag and a playful illustrator. I wanted to create an illustration set that can tell a story, and one that allows an onlooker to wander the streets I grew up on, or perhaps indulge in their own playful memories. Rather than an accurate representation, I wanted my own memories, sentiment and feeling to drive the creative process. Using my scratchy quill and ink lines with a salty ink wash allowed me an excitable medium to work in. I also found it quite analogous of the working class environment I wish to depict. I found it a lovely experience upon removing the salt wash from each home. Not only had I very little control over the outcome, but I also had to spend time at each door to reveal the personality within. I wanted to show my valley scenario, or any other industrial valley microcosm that has imposed itself onto the environment, and in turn, the community that has imposed itself on that.